Today, we're going to install this ceiling light with motion sensor. It automatically turns on when it detects motion at night. In the daytime, when there's plenty of light, if there's motion, it will just ignore, it won't turn on at all. This thing depends on motion sensor. It doesn't use the newer generation of radar 24 gigahertz range to detect presence. So this is only motion. If there's no motion within 30 seconds, the light will turn off. Definitely a big no-no for the bathroom. We're going to install this in the sunroom. The sunroom is basically a small room that contains a lot of shoes, umbrellas, and stuff like that. You grab your shoes and you get out. This is the package that the light came in. The diameter of this thing is 12 inches. When you open the box, this is all that's included. You got 3 screws, some anchors, and an instruction manual. Here's the light and the mount on it. Be sure to unscrew this, twist it counterclockwise to remove the mount. Here you can see once the mount is removed, you get to see the wiring. You got your blue for neutral and brown for load. There's no ground. The light itself is about 1 inch, and here it is compared to a crayon, so you can see how thin it is. Once again, the diameter of this thing is 12 inches. This is the ceiling light that we'll be replacing. In order to remove the old ceiling lights, you just have to remove these 3 screws. Twist them counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3. After removing the 3 screws, you can just slide the cover down and it will expose 2 more screws. 1, 2. You can use a Phillips to remove these or just use a power drill to remove them. Upon removing the LED light, you'll see 2 wires. Most likely you'll see 3, but for some reason I only have 2. I got the neutral here and the black for load. This is our new LED mount. You can see that you'll need 3 screws to hold into position. 1, 2, 3. The new mount is really nice because it has the cable clips already, so we don't need our wiggle nuts anymore. Let's remove our wiggle nuts. Once the wiggle nuts has been removed, you can just press on this to insert the wire and then release it, and then the wire should stay into position. Same goes for the neutral right here. Just press it down, slide the neutral in, and release the pressure, and it will stay in forever. On this side, go ahead and press it down. That way you can slide the brown wire to connect it to the black wire. Release the pressure so that the load will stay into position. This clip right here is the same concept. Press it down, slide the blue wire in, release it, and then the wire will stay in place. All you have to do is press the LED lights up against the mounts and then twist it clockwise to lock it into position. This is pretty nice, right? It looks like it's floating in midair. Very cool effect. Above it, you can see the halo and then the light itself again. They did a great job of hiding the motion sensor. There's no way you can see it from anywhere, from any angle. The light itself is 4000 Kelvin temperature, so it's not too yellowish and it's not too white. I really like this light. It is so easy to install, super lightweight, and very modern looking. This light is perfect for those who want something smart, but they don't want anything to deal with hub. The light just does its thing automatically. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to say anything. Just connect it into a power source and then done. Alright, hopefully you found this tutorial helpful on how to install this LED light. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.